touch them. Any man or woman that say you will never be well with me, Jehovah me. 2021 is my good year. No man can stop what God has said. Here. That thing God has promised me, this year it must surely come to pass. 2021, hear ye the word of the Lord. It shall be well with me and my family. Any man or woman that will rise up against me, fire of God, chase them, chase them, chase them. Here. Asimelu megide, asimala megide, heluna la megide, onye si n'oga.